In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change or switch between your Bose soundbar and TV speaker by choosing the output correctly. So let's begin. Our Bose TV speaker has three types of connectivity: HDMI, optical, and Bluetooth. So you need to change your soundbar's output according to that. And for that, go to your smart TV's sound output settings. It's generally in the settings option, and you'll see something like a speaker icon, which should be your sound out. Just select it and choose the output that you are using. If your Bose speaker is connected through HDMI, you need to select HDMI-ARC or e-ARC. For optical out through Tosslink cable, select optical. And if you have connected your Bose speaker through Bluetooth, select Bluetooth device. And whenever you want to switch to TV, you should be able to do it right from here. And that's how you switch between your TV speakers and your Bose soundbar. Hope this was useful. Happy listening.